Hello, welcome back. We are currently presenting you a Nebula wallet. That wallet are mainly used for freelance payments while using Bitcoin and blockchain technology. I am Anand Kumar Jain, the leader of the team of Nebula wallet. Also, my team members like Aryan Jagir, who are the who mainly lead AI analytics and research work. Second, Angel Sani, which are mainly help us to front end work and UI designing. And we have Akshita Sharma, which will be help us for front end work or UI and UX designing. So come back to the presentation. Now I am presenting you a problem which will be facing by the freelancers. Many freelancers facing high international transaction fees, longer settlement ratios, settlement times, and hidden conversion charges. Also, some have a account restriction that can hold or not giving their payments on time, which will be very harmful for the freelancers. To resolve this issue, we have a solution that called Nebula Wallet, which will be very secure real-time crypto payments and leverage blockchain technology. Now, I am presenting key features of blockchain technology or saying Nebula Wallet. Key feature first is like instant transaction. It means like you have a send and receive Bitcoin payments instantly, like exchanging real-time money exchange. Also, that can empower freelancers to access their funds easily. Now, our second feature is ultra low fees. We have not a so much high burden of fees for the freelancers. We only take 1% on transaction fees on international payments or worldwide payments. Also, it's like a transparent fee structure which will hidden no hidden cost that can helpful for them to clarify their payments. Now our third key feature is integrated communication and price tracking. We enable a direct client communication within the app. It's not like you have to communicate in other apps or you have to talk to them for so much time. It's like a anonymous for them to handle it. And many of the time you have contact them to email and this can be not helpful for them. So you have direct talk or chat or call without so much burden that can be helpful for instant payment exchange. Also, we provide live Bitcoin price data to inform your decisions. Sometimes Bitcoin data will be fluctuate and you have sent high amount of money instead of that you have to want. So to handle this issue, we have a live Bitcoin price data. So you have to handle your situation. Now we have a transparent fee management is our fourth feature. We have displayed a clear transaction fee breakdown on your screen. Not much. You have not to have another check on that your fees is any hidden cost or like other any fees, GST and other fees while international payments. We have all things are in detailed transaction fee breakdown. Also, that can be helpful for us to build trust on the users. Now, our main business model, how Nebula Wallet generate revenue. Firstly, we have a predictable revenue transaction fees that can be said by the previous slides. Also, we have mentioned before. Then we have expand offerings on premium subscriptions. We have plan, advanced analytics, customizable dashboards, and dedicated customer support that can be helpful for premium users or regular users. Now, we have a rapid growth market impact. How our product can impact the users. Currently, we have not created the MVP, but we have not created the MVP to deploy, but we have created a little amount of MVP work that can be presented on previous demo video, sorry. Now we have a plan, a number of active users demonstrating adoption that can be helpful for us to new account users. When the amount of transaction increases, that can be helpful for our user growth rate. We have used their testimonials to early feedback, and we have also partnership with different banks and different organizations that can be helpful for us. Now our feature roadmap is like that. Firstly, we have a launch MVP that can be not launched currently, but we have created our MVP and we have tried to launch in future models or timeline. Currently, we have a small roadmap for short-term goals. Firstly, we have create our MVP and then we gather user feedback that can be helpful for initiate user acquisition campaigns and targeting freelancers. Mainly focus on Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and other websites which will be mainly useful for freelancers. Then we have a midterm goal is feature expansion when we integrate or expand cryptocurrency support. We not reach only Bitcoin market, we have Ethereum and other payment options. Also, we introduce escrow service that can be hold funds or contract terms are made. Also, we launch a mobile application for iOS and Android apps for their user convenience. Then we have a long-term goal is like that. We have a freelance platform that can be helpful for users that can be integrated with different platforms for seamless payments. Then we decentralize identity systems that can boost our user trust and credibility within the platform. Also, we have created an API to allow businesses or automate payment processing, generate financial reports. Summary: why you use Nebula Wallet matter for mainly for freelancers. It can a critical pain point of freelancer payments means it have a more conventional to them to solve their payment related issue. Also, we empower a low fee Bitcoin payments. Also, with that, we have a communication and transparency on one platform. We have not like that we use different platforms for that. And also, we have a scalable platform for their future. At last, we only say explore Nebula Wallet and empower your freelance career today. Thank you. Welcome. This is Anand Kumar Jain